This video shows you how to load a roll of substrate and use the take-up reel on HP Latex 700 and 800 series printers. Load a core onto the take-up reel. Insert it into the right hub first. Then insert the left hub into the core. Press the roll sideways to ensure that it is tightly locked in place. On 700 series printers, raise the brake lever so that the hub does not move. Feed the substrate in until it reaches the take-up reel core. For applications that require very good dimensional stability, such as tiling or framing, you may remove the remaining media skew before loading the take-up reel. Release the pinch wheels from the front panel. Tap Substrate Icon and Substrate Released. Align the right edge of the media with the right edge of the entry roll. This will minimize the skew from loading the media. On the front panel, select Done to lower the pinch wheels. Pull down the center of the substrate's leading edge to straighten the substrate. Do not attempt to pull more substrate out of the printer. Tape the leading edge of the substrate to the core in the center, then tape each side. Make sure that the substrate is straight. Depending on whether you want to print the images facing in or facing out, tape the substrate to the take-up reel inwards or outwards accordingly. Lower the pinches from the front panel. Then, tap the button to advance the substrate, creating a loop. Turn the right hub disc through one complete revolution, so that the printer can detect the substrate and synchronize the take-up reel. Tap the button on the front panel to advance the substrate again. Then, select the Output Options menu from the left bar, and calibrate the advance mechanism. The tiles will match better if you recalibrate the advance mechanism before printing begins. To remove the take-up reel after printing, tap the Cut icon on the front panel's top bar. Cut the substrate loaded in the printer using either the automatic cutter or scissors. Do not cut the substrate on top of the cutter beam. At the front panel, tap the substrate icon, select the output option, and tap Deactivate Take-up Reel. A message will confirm that the take-up reel is deactivated. Hold the substrate and turn the right hub disc on the take-up reel to wind the remainder of the substrate around the take-up reel. If your printer model is a 700 or 700W, lower the brake lever and remove the left hub from the roll. If your printer model is an 800 or 800W, unlock the brake and remove the left hub from the roll. Remove the roll from the right hub. Remove the roll from the printer at the take-up reel.